Watch us rolling, boy, we are zoning. Watch us rolling, like UNK rolling. We are rolling, we are rolling, we are rolling. Yeah. Cavasillo, I have beats for breakfast. Eat your favorite rapper like a sandwich. Cavasillo voice soft like a mattress. My wifey got big racks, but your girl is reckless. Whoa, you know how it goes. Fuck a Beamer, Benz or Bentley, we just wanna roll. High off life, make a toast, gang, no one-man show. Shout out Travis Scott and Drizzy Drake, we on sicko mode, oh, whoa, whoa. Lots of fake love today, what glitters not gold. We ain't got no space for them fake brothers and them fake hoes. Creating my own world like UNK rolling. I keep it in my damn mind so it can console. And the equation of that word starts with an equal sign. Then we multiply delight and subtract corporate crime. Yeah, let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. Watch us rolling, boy, we are zoning. Watch us rolling, like UNK rolling. We are rolling, we are rolling, we are rolling.
Puff pass, I don't smoke, but my homies do. I like girls with big booties, know you like it too. Says he's single, or she got a man, I don't know. I'ma still hit, bounce out like a kangaroo. Range Rover whipping with the squad, that's a lifestyle. Jumping bars like the Kid Cat, shit, it's been a while. Blossom in the bank, I'ma let these niggas have a taste. You can praise the Lord, have a singing or amazing grace. This is shit that you do when you bossed up. Level up, all these niggas just get booed up. Cover, see a car, bro, yeah, it's going down. Walking empty, walk out with a bust down. Kingsley, real shit, man, it's real talk. Bang, bang through your crib, hit my crib, walk. Legendary, man, you know how the shit goes. I'ma have over the shit to the CEO.
Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. Watch us rolling, boy, we are zoning. Watch us rolling, like UNK rolling. We are rolling, we are rolling, we are rolling.
I've been on to something. I've been trying to force this. I've been living for it. I've been trying to get it right. Say I've been hearing stories. I've been trying to rewrite. I've been trying to get closer to God so I can see Him. Got eyes all around me, haters everywhere, and I never ever knew that they'd rather see me dead. It wasn't this bad since the last time I tried. Saw the devil send his demons, but you know that I'm a rider. The dead can't die, and minus all the bull. Yeah, the boy doing fine. I hope you hear the song. I really hope you hear the song. And there I'm all on the grind. I fly with the forces, I ride with the vision. Ain't no competition. A-shot looking gorgeous, but I ain't better than focus. My world very different. They don't talk, I don't listen. Oh, yeah. Mama said don't play with fire. Oh, yeah. Mama said don't play with fire. Hey. And Mama said don't play with fire. Oh, and Mama said don't play with fire. Mother, don't play with fire. Oh, yes. Oh,
yeah. Vacío.
Monogamie. Ich bin verliebt, doch es gibt nicht nur sie. Ich bin dazwischen, I'm in between. In between. In between. In between. In between. Sie kennt mich vom Insta-Feed. Feuer-Emoji. Sie kennt von mir jedes Lied. Sie feiert mein Grind, als wär ich Tony. Sie kommt an die Bar, spricht mich an, alles klar. Sie ist überqualifiziert, aber unterbezahlt. Fuck the system, scheiß drauf, ich zahl. Ja, sie tanzt zu dem Beat. Sie hat sich verliebt. Sie will mich intim, doch fuck, ich muss weg, denn es gibt nicht nur sie. Liebe immer zugänglich, Tinder. Meine Sinne sind gereizt, Social Media. Monogamie. Ich bin verliebt, doch es gibt nicht nur sie. Ich bin dazwischen, I'm in between. In between. In between. In between. In between. Ich kenne sie vom Insta-Feed. Chili-Emoji. Ich habe sie nicht verdient. Ich feier, dass sie baut, als wär sie Kobe. Ihre dunkelbraunen Locken hauen mich aus den Socken. Dunkle Haut, dunkle Augen, ich kann mich nicht stoppen. Ich sprech sie an, all in. Ja, ich muss jetzt zocken, wir tanzen erotisch. Leute sind peinlich betroffen. Baby, make that booty go up, down. Ihr jamaikanisches Feuer lässt mich uptown. Sie ist mein Chick, doch sie datet nicht nur mich. Liebe immer zugänglich, Tinder. Ja. I'm rapping straight outta Germany. Calvasio representing Krefeld City. I do this for my people, try to do good. They don't care about us, although they actually should. While these rappers talk about expensive cars, the skin color still decides whether you are behind bars. When I express my thoughts, they think I was from Mars. Cause I face situations how they actually are. I'm a white boy, so who am I to judge? I got food, I got water, yeah, I got enough. But I have seen things that make me stand up, because they keep us shut in political handcuffs. Man, the truth is harsh, yeah, the truth is rough. This may terrify your ears, but I will never stop. Let me quote MJ. They don't care about us, no, no. Still don't give a fuck about what others say. I'm the last man standing, cash is clay. Motherfuckers want me to subordinate. Punch back, cash is clay. They want me to subordinate. Punch back, cash is clay. They want me to subordinate. Punch back, cash is clay. Feel like cash is clay because I came to stay. I rap about real shit, you rap about champagne. Yeah, I express my thoughts as they come. If I want to fuck up a racist, I go to H&M. Man, I've seen too much just to talk about Gucci bags. I won't ever wear a gold chain while this inequality lasts. How come we keep repeating our past? 1% controls half of the world's cash. They try to hide these facts, yeah. They don't bother as long as they sip Belea. I will always stand up like Muhammad Ali. I keep questioning your reality. Like, what's the difference between you and a refugee? Don't we share the same human family tree? Why do Facebook likes define your self-esteem? Why is the blue tick on IG today's currency? Still don't give a fuck about what others say. I'm the last man standing, cash is clay. Motherfuckers want me to subordinate. Punch back, cash is clay. They want me to subordinate. Punch back, cash is clay. They want me to subordinate. Punch back, cash is clay. Derma. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. No be say you too fine. No be say you fine pass. No be say you get mouth. No be say you never carry last. You come they use me to shakara. Baby girl, you got me going. Baby girl, you got me going so crazy. Como Sarah, anybody only side. Your rhythms got me grooving. I know that you're pretty special, and that's why you deserve my loving. Now you know you gotta be mine for life. You make me unattracted to the madness. You give me light when all I see is darkness. You know that I'm in it for the right reasons, and I'm in it for the reasons. I'll fight for you. Whoa, I'll fight for you. Yeah. Oh, na na na. Whoa, I'll fight for you. Yeah. Whoa, and you will never have to worry. Never have to worry. I'll fight for you. Oh, no, 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 no. I'll fight for you. Oh, I'll fight for you. Oh, no, no, no. And you will never have to worry. Never have to worry, baby. Baby, lately smoking mirrors got me so confused. All these calls and messages, they got me feeling blue. So I'ma pull up in a Benz like Nano. And baby girl, you have to what little. Cause girl, I got some explaining to do. You make me unattracted to the madness. You give me light when all I see is darkness. You know that I'm in it for the right reasons, and I'm in it for the reasons. I'll fight for